So a man who drove drunk and killed 20-year-old Elena Shapiro is only in prison some of the time. We've learned Dr. Raymond Cook is getting out during the day for work release, and he's getting 48 hours a month at home with his family. How is that happening? All right, Attorney David Daggett's here to help us make sense of this. All right, so explain to me, why is it that Cook is not spending his full 3 to 4 years in prison? How does this system work?
Well, first of all, this is tragic from all sides, and lives were shattered, not just the young lady, but also her family, and it's devastating. There's a separation between the court system finding him guilty and having the sentence, and the corrections system, which monitors the punishment. Okay? So the punishment was given back at the time of the trial. Once the punishment is given and it goes into the corrections system, the emotions from the event itself are no longer relevant. It's more like a math problem that they do within the corrections system.
And we've talked about how good behavior, I guess, is the impetus for this. So
Sure.
he's been labeled someone that's behaving well.
Yes.
Okay, so what does that mean, good behavior, and how does that impact your possibilities of getting out?
It's not quite this simple, but they have a sheet of pluses and minuses. Are you doing good things while you're in prison? Are you helpful? Are you obeying the rules? Are you minding your manners? Are you assisting? Sometimes assisting other prisoners, sometimes using whatever talent you have to help others in prison. Those would all be plus marks. On the flip side, bad behavior gives you minus marks.
So work release, 48-hour weekend passes, this is nothing new?
No, this is nothing new. This is newsworthy because of the tremendous trauma and the emotions of the situation. But this is like any other sentence. Once the sentence is given, this is like any other sentence, and it just becomes an academic math problem.
So answer me this.
And so from that point of view, this isn't surprising.
So whose decision is it? Who says, yes, you get weekend passes?
Well, this is the correction system that does this.
So is it one person? Is it a board, or is it?
Well, typically it's a board, but the board isn't looking at the emotions or the facts of this case. They're looking at what was the sentence, and then they have standard guidelines that they go by,
and this is it,
with the pluses and the minuses.
David, thank you.
And then it's applied to the situation.
You're right, emotions everywhere. Thank you very much. That's educational.